In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the price in Please Donate on your stand. So you can see at the moment, here's my stand and we currently have all of these donation buttons. I'm going to show you how we can change the Robux price on each of these different buttons. So what you need to do is first just go and close out of the Roblox game. And we're going to head over to the Roblox website, roblox.com, and make sure you're signed into your Roblox account. Click on Create in the top navigation, click on Creations from the left-hand side, and then go and select one of your experiences from this list. Now scroll down on the left to monetization and click on passes. Then scroll down again and here you'll be able to see all of the buttons on your Please Donate stand. So to go and change the price of any of these is really easy. Just go and click on the button that we want to change, click on sales in the left hand side, and then just go and set a new price for this donation button. So I'm going to change this to 20 for example and press save changes. Then you can scroll back up to the top and click on passes once again. And you can do this for as many passes and buttons that you need to change the price for. Now once you've updated this, you can head back inside of Roblox Please Donate. Make sure to go and load inside of a new game if this hasn't updated. And now if I come over to my stand, you can see all of these prices have now changed. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.